Hey guys, this is Girish Hotur. I'm a music composer, singer, songwriter. I started composing and recording music with a very basic setup 5 years back and slowly transitioned from a part-time musician to a full-time music composer. I have been constantly getting a lot of calls and questions on how to record a song that sounds professional. The good news is there has never been a better time to invest on a simple home studio setup. If you're a musician or even a singer who wants to showcase your songs to the world and you're brand new to recording and are looking to set up your first home studio, then this is the course you can enroll into. In this crash course, I am going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to put a complete studio setup which is very affordable with specific gear recommendations. We will be focusing on setting up a home studio for beginners. Also, I will be showing you a step-by-step process of the basics of recording, programming, and mixing a simple song. All of this will be done virtually over Zoom, where you can be interactive and ask questions. This crash course will be spread across 3 days. Each session will be for 2 hours, followed by half an hour of Q&A sessions. Also, at the end of this course, I will help you getting some free softwares, virtual instruments, and plugins that will elevate your music to the next level.